Hi everyone, glad you all loved that lovely introduction of me, Laudiaann Silvis. And I have been actually working on my online business. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by because I help you. I kind of do some reviews on the things that I do online and how I generate money. And I do make money online, offline and online. So, and I do work part-time too as a regular employee somewhere in a hospital, which I am going to quit soon. And I just want to share with you all what I have been doing. Okay. I love affiliate marketing. I love uploading products, and I love creating ebooks. And as you can notice, my YouTube channel, it is actually growing. It is monetized, and I'm really happy with my efforts that I have been doing. And it takes a lot of work just uploading videos all the time. And I'm really sorry I haven't uploaded in a few days. I've been really busy doing a lot of training and other things, and I had to do family business. Just having a busy schedule, trying to do everything, but family is first. Okay, just don't forget, family is first before your business. Okay, so let's get back to business. I'm going to share with you a new product that my mentor Wesley, $1 billion virgin, let's go. All right, he has come up with a great product, and you want a link. There's a link below this video. You're going to click on it, and these are one of his products that is brand new. Okay, it just came out, so I'm going to share it with you. Here's my computer. It's called Upload Bucks, and what you do is you upload videos and make money. And it's so simple, and it's only $17 just to make some extra money, extra cash if you need. You can make up to whatever the sky the limits, maybe $300 up to $1,000 or maybe $2,000. It's not going to make you a millionaire, but it's going to actually give you income that you need. Okay, so it's all up to you, your efforts, your persistence, and being consistent. You just have to go for it, and you just have to get mad just uploading videos. I'm just telling you, upload, upload, upload. Now, I'm a really busy lady because I have been uploading videos on my YouTube. I kind of stop. If you notice, I stop a few days. I do upload all the time. It's just been busy and caught up with family business. So I'm really sorry about that, guys. But continue to check out my videos because my videos are uplifting. I'm always promoting different products to help you with your business. And I love marketing tools, any type of tips, business tips that you want to learn and do. I actually invest in a lot of some of these softwares, and I do use them, and I use them in my blogs. I use them for my business online. I create ebooks. I create crochet patterns as well to make ebooks. I do a lot of things, but I can only do so much because I am working part-time. And as soon as I get my foundation and everything online down pack, and everything's going to be smooth sailing. I've got 2 YouTube channels already monetized. If you guys want to learn how to get your channel monetized, join the $1 billion Virgins YouTube monetization program. All right, and you can find him. You can confide on him. You can text him. You can go to his YouTube channel and see how he can teach you how to make money online, because he really actually does teach you how to make money online. Well, guys, click on the link below. Look at the latest product he has uploaded. It is actually new. Nobody knows it that much, but it's called Upload Bucks. So all you do is upload your videos and make money. All right, talk to y'all soon. Don't forget to watch every suggested video at the end of every video that I post. Talk to y'all soon. Stay encouraged and be inspired.